Yeah, we have a people. What? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now you don't know it's a crazy boy wildlife and a slash string bean. You don't know Camera. Today's video isn't really about hunting and stuff like that, guys. Actually, it's about getting together and unite as younger men in Jamaica and youths, and you know, trying to like put a better side of Jamaica out there by just doing whatever we do. You get what I mean? So today we will be preparing some stuff, because the ideal plan for this video is to just go on the beach, do a cook-up for one of my friend's birthday, and just enjoy life and just enjoy the whole little vibe and stuff like that. So right now, this evening, I'm going to go get most of the stuff that we actually need, you know, to do the cook-up tomorrow on the beach. No hunting. We'll probably do a little bit of fishing because we'll be on the beach side. But with all that said and done, guys, we're just trying to do the right thing, because everyone knows that the wrong things are normally the easiest thing to do and the right things are the hardest. But we're trying to stay focused and trying to do whatever we need to do to stay alive, and you know, nothing negative, just positive vibes. So it's just a whole get together. I hope you guys like this one. Enough talking. We're going to the farm right now, grabbing some stuff and everything. You guys will get a chance to see what's going on, so stay tuned. All right? Yeah, man. Alright, my people, so see it there? You don't know, you know, one pig head. Yeah, man, so we get the pig head right now. Yeah, guys, we get the pig head right now. So I'll just show you a little bit on the farm, not too much still, and you know, stuff like that, same way. And then we'll leave off and go get prepping. Yeah, go. Pig duck. Yeah, guys, so if you don't know, these are called layers, you know. People, so right now we just get all of them here. So you know what, guys, see there, and on jokes.
Good old one.
Big old hugget.
Fierce.
Jack, guys.
Swine.
Yeah. Hey, so we are going to call him off now.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my people, so right now we just are going to make preparation for tomorrow. You don't know, see it there? You don't know, you know. Yeah, guys, so right now we just are going to deal with it the right way, scrape off him and some style like that, and get him cut up and clean up for tomorrow. You don't know. Yeah, man, we use fire for swinge off, for ear them off and head, and it is like that. You understand? Something serious, man, you know?
Just look for it. Oh, no, serious, you know?
Yeah, man, it's a clean shave him get, you know. Clean shave, he can't lie about the barber.
I'm afraid of a new style while he deal with the marrow. The brethren have a new style how he deal with the marrow. You are going to see how my friend deal with the marrow. Yeah, man. Now see how he deal with the marrow. Yeah, my friend have a new style.
Yeah, my people, so you don't know, you know. It's a party group. Yeah, man, so we get everything unpacked out of the van. You don't know, some brethren are the same way.
Yeah, man.
Dog there, no joke. You understand what I say? So, yeah, man, we just getting ready, heading over there. So, yeah, man, stay tuned, alright? Yeah, my people, no little joke not about it, man, you know. So we see it there. Yeah, man, my people say I don't know, you know. The settings will have some curry chicken. Everything's still there, man. I don't know. Everybody there same road, you know. Now one at a time, birthday boy there the same way, I don't know. like island some style same with people, so you don't know, you know. Man.
Place where all the beach, you know, so.
One whole of bird. The people just believe one whole of bird. Yeah, man. Whenever I don't know where they get fish from. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people say you don't know, I get that way, see we have clean up and a bag of things. So, yeah, man, as you can see, I'm actually get out the phone, the excessive phone we don't need. We don't need all of that phone there. And we're just working with these parts for the soup. Yeah, thing, Chef Adams. Nah, man, nah, man. You see, all in nose region, this up. Can't move. Yeah, when people see it there now, you don't know. Yes, sir. So, parts are doing thing. You don't know peas already in a pot. See it there now, man. Everything, you know, everything. Yeah, my people, you don't know. Yeah, man, we're there, man. No jokes. Corridor right, that's the same way. Yes, sir. Let me see what I got. Whoa. Alright, that's it? Nice. Yeah, man. I want to show you one time when I say man love pork, you see? A piece of job when the man a D, man a take the meat and fight down to not. See that? Live. My name?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Chocolate that get every ounce of meat. Nothing on waste, nothing on dash. Wet.
We are looking where you're there.
Alright, my people say you don't know old fashioned curry. We already have pimento seed in that already. See me and see we are dropping some ground provisions as well. You don't know? Yeah, man, so see it there. Make that go and simmer down now and some style. So you saw that colourful?
Real Jamaican color, Jamaican there, right?
Yeah, man, and a Jamaica day today too. So see it there? Yeah, man, that's our pumpkin. For all those who don't know. Hey, watch out. If someone catch one fish, he might run forward. You see all one chub. Guys, so right now, literally if you have one towel at back of the wing, you don't know we have some banana over here, so you see it? Yeah, man, so see it there? You don't know. Yeah, my people, it's extremely windy still, but we're still trying. You know? So we just be clean. Yeah, my people, the wind extremely high. Do you think that? The wind is extremely high, but I swear. Don't know. Yeah, man, see it there? Plus, I see it there now. Alright, it's active. Yeah, man, so right now we just go and knead up some flour for this spinach. Yeah, guys, so that's the purpose of the flour, just to make some spins, you know. Make a size, let me see what it look like. Yeah, man.
Spinners.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we just call them the spins, you know. Yeah, man. Put in the last little touches. We are come down to it anyway, you know. Noodle soup gone in a soup. Look there, man. Soup rich and nice, my people, may I tell you. Yeah, man. Soup ready and the man them go and shell out of the shell out the same way. Yeah, man. Some people in there, some people there when I eat pork sauce. Yeah, man. I'm gonna catch my one fish and see that. Look there. Judge. Brother, I eat steam fish in a man. I don't want to burn up a fish. Judge star.
Yo, rum crumbs that. Rum crumbs. Yo, one next to
Show me, I'll show you, right?
Not nice,
Everybody there, man. They don't know one link, same way, man. Why, wind kind of high, we are beaten from there, but we still have to keep her. Cousin? Soup there, man. Yeah, man, watch him man himself, man. The man watch his channel day in, day out, you know, eh? Bro, the daddy. Yeah, guys, I tell him, man, nah, man, I don't know, you know. Boy, this man, man, don't eat food. The man just live. Yeah, man, just sit there now. We are getting at some games and one thing, guys. I don't know. You don't know, a little futsal à la plage, soccer on the beach, yeah? What we call it football. And that was out. Yeah, man, you have a great Mickey has a same way. No little joke, you know, Miss Anit, you see it? Yeah, man. What is it? It's been a while. Yo! They end up score one. So younger youth them against the elders. Well, the older set of men of our group. You know? Watch your team, but me have that back camera. Oh, and that was a miss. Oh God! Jive! Alright guys, so right now, sorry about the wind, right now we are going to do one little tag war. So see youngin them here, I go again. Yo, youngins! Yo. See them here, all of them there, so birthday boy, that's the same way. You don't know, so them I go against them, man. You understand? So see them here, yeah. Like. It's alright, so them man here. But again, where is it? Jack got dead and stand a chance. Alright, so see there, anybody pass that line here, anyone I team them pass that line here, I don't know. Yeah man, so watch this. Where's the number boss? World's strongest. Always. Alright, yo, wanna say. Right now, my people, boy, I win just high power, but I can see what I'm going. You don't know. Watch out, so how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 against 5.
Yo, no, man.
Yeah, man. They go on. Yo, there's the man that said they don't want nobody. Alright, yo, no go on, let me see what I go on now. Yo, 1. So I don't know if anybody, any team pass the line. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Right now, see referee here. You don't know we go do on 1v1. J-Banks, just calm down now. The world's strongest man going up against Iguabegan. You see? Iguabegan. So make we see who can win the 1v1 now. Eh? Don't wrap up the rope, Iguabegan. Just humble yourself. Do not wrap up the rope. Alright, so what you know, see referee there now. Alright, hold on, no rope now go wrap. So, 2 strongest man see referee there. Let me see what I have now. He now wrap the rope. Alright, say man, they mean business. Where referee say, we work with the referee.
Ready, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go.
Jime. Watch out. Jime. But queer. Yes, Jime. Jime. Name for the record now, young man.
Original grave digger.
Alright, so make we see what go on. Wait a state your name for the record now, young man. Alright, make we see what go on and say no. 1, go. But watch out, Moku Jimbo di. Get that Jimbo. Jimbo my man.
Don't ever have to change me.
Wally Muggins! Muggins, Wally man, where? A 2 old beast, them in. Connecting!
Look at these tiny hands.
What is that match? Yeah! So we have 2 brothers. Say your name for the record, the big man.
It's Mickey.
Alright, shout out your TikTok, say man.
I'm followed by Mike official 0. You know how badness go.
Alright. Where's the cousin? You all hug. Alright, look at you are going. Ready up.
1, 2,
watch out, hug. Hug, where you hug? Wall him. Hug. Wall him, hug. Don't go by finish line, please. Hold him. Yo, don't make you carry over there. Dari, yo, where you saw Jaw and Juvenile? Hey, boy. Yo, big man. Watch out. Bakuri Samana. Watch out. Wall him, Jimbo. Dog, you lose, my youth. Marks, get set. What kind of fight start now? Watch out. Get set. Go! Alright guys, so him I champion idea. See me? I don't know joke speed him a push. And me run left. Dust me out. So I'm go up against the female and him give her leg. See? Set them off your shell. Alright guys, so right now we're about to do the bag race. Yeah man, so watch this. No, don't run fast. How do you cousin out there? Hey. Alright, so what you are going on now? Yeah man, Zeke, set them off now, Zeke! Zeke, set them off now! Alright guys, so right now you don't know everybody there. You don't know, see that the whole place nice and clean up because we don't have a garbage box, so we literally burn some of the stuff. I know it's not healthy, but for this reason we can't leave it on the beach like that, so we had to burn whatever was left. You don't know. Yeah man, so right now you know my people, I just want to say thank you, you know, for go on support. You don't know what I mean, and you don't know, say everything good same way because we're there. So it's truly a blessing. The wind is extremely high. I'm not even sure how well my audio is, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, you know guys. You understand what I say? Peace out, God bless, and one love. Play some little soccer, you know, and calm down the evening, and then we'll reach back home. You understand the message? So just go and big up on yourself same way and walk with it, yeah man. Yeah man, look like evening soccer, you know, people. Don't know.
Watch him come in force, Panny man.
Bala, one swing! Bala!
Big man, this is it. Oh yeah, go turn off your little boy.
Hey, fall, Mr. Ref. Fall, Mr. Ref. Fall, Mr. Ref. Yeah, my people, man. Big up on yourself all the time, man. I don't know. Yeah, man. I mean, my father.
Right, that's all I like.
Yeah, man.
Bala, right, that's how I'm seeing him over here.